What if the secret to glowing skin wasn't about adding more stuff to your routine, but actually taking something away? Today, we're going to get into a Japanese approach to wellness that's all about simplifying, not complicating, your path to looking and feeling fantastic. Does this look a little too familiar? I mean, a bathroom shelf just packed with expensive serums and creams. You're following every single step of some complicated routine, but the face looking back at you in the mirror, it still seems tired, stressed. It's such a frustrating cycle, and trust me, you are definitely not alone in feeling that way. So this is what we can call the skincare paradox. We're throwing all this time and money at external solutions, hoping to mask the signs of a really demanding life. But the results? They just don't last, right? They're temporary at best, and it just leaves us feeling stuck, like we're playing a game we just can't win. But what if the problem isn't your skin at all? What if it's our entire approach? What if the secret to that vibrant, healthy glow can't actually be found in a bottle? What we're about to dig into is this idea that the answer, well, it's already inside you, just waiting to be unlocked. So the secret, it lies in a concept that's really deeply rooted in some Japanese lifestyle rhythms. It's called cellular cleaning. Now, this isn't about scrubbing your face, no. This is about tidying up your body from the inside out, literally at the microscopic level. And the best part? It's remarkably simple. Okay, so the sciencey term for this is autophagy, which literally means self-eating. Just think of it as your body's own genius built-in recycling system. It seeks out all the old, tired, and damaged cellular parts, all that junk, and it clears them out, making way for fresh, vibrant new cells to take their place. Yeah, it's just like spring cleaning your house, right? It makes everything feel fresh and new. Autophagy does the exact same thing for your body. It gets rid of all that built-up cellular junk, it lowers internal stress, and it gives your entire system a chance to just reset and renew itself. So, the big question is, how do we actually flip the switch on this amazing internal program? Well, the good news is, it's not complicated at all. In fact, this whole routine boils down to just 2 simple, elegant steps designed to activate your body's natural power. That's it. And here they are. 2 steps to activate that inner glow. First, natural intermittent fasting. And second, bringing some fermented liquid skincare into your diet. Okay, let's break down exactly what that means. Step 1 is all about timing, and the magic number here is 12. By creating a 12-hour window where you're not eating, let's say from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., you give your body the time and space it needs to switch from digesting to cleaning. This is the trigger for autophagy. It's really that simple. All right, step 2 is all about supporting that cleanup process from within. This isn't a cream, it's nourishment. Adding fermented foods like miso soup or amazake, which is a sweet, delicious drink made from fermented rice, helps support a healthy gut. And a healthy gut reduces inflammation throughout your whole body, which is directly reflected in the health and radiance of your skin. And this just illustrates the core philosophy so perfectly. It's a complete shift in perspective. Instead of battling your skin from the outside, you're nurturing your body from the inside, creating this state of inner harmony that just naturally reflects outward. It really comes down to 2 totally different paths. On one side, you have the world of external filters. Complicated, expensive routines that offer temporary fixes and basically just cover up stress. But on the other, you have the path of inner harmony. Simple, natural, and focused on creating a lasting glow by healing from the inside out. The difference is profound. This right here is the key takeaway. It's an invitation to redefine what beauty really means to you, to see it not as something you apply, but as something you cultivate. It's the glow that comes from a body that's in balance, a system that is clean, rested, and renewed. So I'll leave you with this to think about. After trying everything on the outside, maybe it's finally time to look inward. Is it possible that the most radiant, most authentic version of you isn't something you can buy, but something that's been waiting inside you all along?